At Vantage Career Center, passion meets purpose. Students turn hands-on learning into real careers, real skills, and a future that starts now. But don't just take it from us. Hear directly from one of our students.
My name is Landon Saxton. I'm a student here at Vantage Career Center in the Industrial Mechanics Lab, and my home school is Ottoville. We do all sorts of stuff in this lab. As you can see behind me, we do robots, we do CNC machining, manual machining, we do welding, residential electricity, motor controls. If you want to get into it, there's a little bit of HVAC available to us. We do powder coating, sandblasting, all sorts of different things. So every 2 weeks you move on to something new. Sometimes we go to our related room and learn more like the science and stuff behind what we're doing, but most of the time it's just hands-on, so it's great. Honestly, what I like the most about industrial mechanics is my classmates and teachers. In order to thrive in our lab, really you just have to be like an active listener, active learner. You have to want to be hands-on every day. We have our hands on stuff, hands getting dirty, and getting stuff done.
Your future starts here. Learn more about this program and many others at VantageCareerCenter.com.